Hi, I'm Vijay Jagan, the Operation Coordinator at Royal Greens. Today I'm going to talk to you about the festive season. The festive season is a time when we get together with family and friends, and often have more social gatherings than at other times of the year. Invariably, getting together involves eating and sometimes consuming excessive amounts of unhealthy food. Many of the food served at parties, such as chips, salted nuts, cakes, are unhealthy if consumed in large quantities. Dinners served at restaurants may have higher quantity of fat and salt than those prepared at home. We tend to drink a lot more alcohol too, and this can contribute significantly to our daily calorie requirements. The festive season is therefore a time of year when there are many challenges to maintaining a healthy diet. So get your exercise fix. The benefits of exercise are known to all of us. Stick to your exercise routine. Motivate yourself if you must, burst stress and keep yourself feeling good. Never skip meals. Skipping lunch to compensate for a calorie-dense dinner is a terrible idea. Eating regular small meals in addition to dinner will keep your blood sugar stable and prevent cravings. You are far less likely to overeat. Take small helpings. That said, don't deprive yourself of your favorite treat. Think about portion size and eat smaller portions. You'll find that small helpings of your favorite dishes are far more satisfying than overdoing it. Mind your beverage. All of us tend to offer and drink a lot of non-alcoholic beverages during the course of the day and with meals. But these beverages are loaded with sugar and calories, and that can tip the weighing scale by inviting you to overeat. Keep an eye on the alcohol. Alcohol is fattening, but most of us tend to forget that during the festivities, control the amount of alcohol you consume over these months and try not to overindulge. Opt for lower calorie beers and wines when you can. Compensate when you can. If you binge at lunch, go light for the rest of the day. Remember that an additional 500 calories per day or 3,500 calories per week above your normal consumption can lead to the gain of 1 pound. Let's face it, this is not the best time to lose weight, not when someone is offering you fried snacks like samosas, crispy chicken wings, meat curry, roast chicken, biryani, ice cream, and desserts every day. Aim at maintaining your current weight. That's the only mission possible right now.